Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video today I will show you how to set storage limit in Google Workspace. Now sometimes you will have a storage limit on your Google Workspace. Now this is very bad if it happens and you might need to go and change your storage or your plan even as well. So basically, as you can see, this is how it usually looks like. This is what you will get if your Google or organization storage is completely full. So if that is happening, what you want to do is you want to allocate individual users' storage limit. You want to log into your admin console. You want to select storage from the left side menu and choose manage under the storage settings. Now under user storage limit, you can turn it on that setting so that the administrator can set a storage for each user. Now you need to specify the obviously the limit, as you can see. For example, if you go to storage and if we go here, we can turn it on for a particular user, and then as you can see, we can have a storage limit to be 1 terabyte for that particular user. Now obviously we can play around with this. We can play around with the number however we want. However, as you can see, once you set up 1 terabyte, for example, as you can see here, it will say how many kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes, or even terabytes is being used by that particular person. Now obviously you can decrease the storage limit as well to make it 500 GB, for example. You can do that as well. However, this is one of the easiest ways to set storage limit in Google Workspace. So if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below. And obviously, if you want to know more about Google Workspace, we are creating a lot of tutorials around that topic. So definitely check out our channel and we will see you in the next video.